Yeah, good afternoon, students. Let us continue with the product of vectors long answers. Already we did those questions yesterday, right? Today, let us do few more questions. Yesterday we did distance between the skew lines, correct? And volume of a tetrahedron, distance between skew lines, and all these are very important. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle, right? So all these we did. Now let us see few very important questions which were asked so many times in your final exam only, right? If a bar equal to I minus 2j plus 3k and your b bar is 2i plus j plus k and your c bar is I plus 2j plus 2k, then find modulus of a cross b cross c and modulus of a cross b cross c. Is it clear? This what is asking us to show. Now this is nothing but vector triple product definition, and here I will write the definition of vector triple product, right? So a bar cross b cross c is nothing but a bar dot c bar b bar minus a bar dot b bar c bar. This is your vector triple product definition. Is it clear? This into this b bar, I mean a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. That is the definition. Okay. Now see the solution. So given a bar is I minus 2j plus 3k and your b bar is 2i plus j plus k and your c bar is I plus j plus 2k. Now first let us find a bar cross c bar. According to the definition what I said just now, a bar dot c bar dot b bar, this into this minus b bar dot c bar a bar. It means that is equal to, open the bracket, I minus 2j plus 3k dot product with c bar, that is I plus j plus 2k, is it clear, into b bar, minus, again open the bracket, b bar dot c bar, that is 2i plus j plus k dot product with I plus j plus 2k, right? Into a bar. Is it clear? First, let us do the dot product of this. Dot product with I into I, that is 1 minus 2 plus 6 into b bar minus, this is what actually 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 plus 2 into a bar. Is it clear? Right? So what I am going to get, that is 6 plus 1, 7 minus 2. 5b bar minus 5a bar. That is nothing but 5 into b bar. 5 into what is your b bar? 2i plus j plus k minus 5 into a bar. That is I minus 2j plus 3k. That is nothing but 5 to 10i plus 5j plus 5k minus 5i plus 10j minus 15 3k, right? That simplification, what I'm going to get, that is equal to 10i minus 5i is 5i plus 15j minus 10k. This is what a bar cross b cross. Just now I gave the definition of vector triple product. Is it clear? In vector triple product, see here, Vector triple product it says is A cross B cross C. Now you are going to write it as A dot C B. A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. Suppose if I am having A bar cross B cross C, that is A dot C into B. Always extremes. Always extremes. Is it clear? Minus A bar dot B bar into C. Is it clear? So always you should go for your extremes. These are your two formulas. Okay, it's not over. Then what is asking here? Modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar. That is modulus of 5y plus 15j minus 10k. That is nothing but under root of pi square plus 15 square plus 10 square. That is under root of 25 plus 225 plus 100. Total how much? 350. That is nothing but under root of 25 into 14. That is pi root 14. Next, what is asking? A bar cross B bar cross C bar, which is nothing but what is the definition? Just now I said A bar dot C bar dot this is into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Is it clear? Again, same approach. What is A? I minus 2j plus 3k dot product with C bar. I plus j plus 2k into V bar. Correct, no? Minus, again open the bracket, write down A bar. That is I plus I minus 2j plus 3k dot product with 2i plus j plus k into C bar. So this simplification, what I'm going to get, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 plus 6 B bar. And here it is 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 plus 3 into C bar. Is it clear? It is just the dot product I'm talking about. What is the dot product? Corresponding I coefficients, corresponding j coefficients, and corresponding k coefficient should be multiplied. Is it clear? So 6 plus 1, 7 minus 2. What I'm going to get? 5b bar. Minus 2 to get cancel. And what I'm going to get is 3c bar. What is 5b bar then? So 5, that is 5 into b bar. What was b bar? It is y plus j plus k minus 3c bar. 3 into c bar. What is that c bar? 5 plus 2j plus 2k. 5 2s are 10i plus 5j plus 5k minus 3i 6j 6k. 10i minus 3i is 7i plus 2j minus k. 5 2s are 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 minus 6 minus j. Here it is 5 10 minus 3 7i. 5 minus 6 minus j and 5k minus k. Is it clear? Okay. Now what is asking? A bar cross B bar. Now that is under root of 7 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. That is 49 plus 1 plus 1. It is root 52. Is it clear? There is nothing but root 52. I hope you understood. Next. Next question. Next, what he has given? Let A bar is equal to 3i minus j plus 2k, and B bar is minus I plus 3j plus 2k, and your C bar is 4i plus 5j minus 2k, and your D bar is I plus 3j plus 5k. So your A bar is given as 3i minus j plus 2k, 3i minus j plus 2k. Your B bar is I minus I plus 3j plus 2k, C bar 4i plus 5j minus 2k, and D bar I plus 3j plus 5k. Okay. Then compute the following. Then compute the following. Compute the following. What is that is asking us to compute? A bar cross B bar cross C cross D. Second one, A bar cross dot C minus A bar cross B bar. Is it clear? We are going to compute these values. Yeah, so many times we asked. Is it clear? But simple question only, right? See the solution. What is your given? A bar 3i minus j plus 2k. Your B bar is minus I plus 3j plus 2k. Your C bar is 4i plus 5j minus 2k. And your D bar is I plus 3j plus 5k. First, I am going to do A bar cross B bar cross C cross D. Means first you are going to take A bar cross B bar separately. That is determinant of IJK. Determinant of IJK. What is that? 3 minus 1, 2 and minus 1, 3, 2. That is equal to I into same determinant, same sums which we did previously also. Minus I into minus 2 minus 6 minus j into 3 to 6 plus 2 plus k into 9 minus 1. That is minus 8i minus 8j plus 8k. Minus 8i minus 8j plus 8k. This is what I got. Is it clear? So you can take minus 8 also common. Okay. So take minus 8 common. That is I plus j minus k. Okay, I got something here. Or minus 8, or you can take plus 8 also. So keep it minus. Is it clear? Take only plus 8. Then minus I minus j plus k. Keep it like that. Next. C bar and D bar is given now. Now let us find next C bar cross D bar. C bar cross D bar. What vector I am going to get? I, J, K, 4, 5, minus 2, 1, 3, 5. That is equal to I into 25 plus 6 minus J into 20 plus 2 plus K into 12 minus 5. That is nothing but C bar cross D, that is 31I minus 22J plus 7K. This is what C bar cross D. Next, what is asking actually? A bar cross B bar cross C cross D. That is I, J, K. A cross B, what we got just now? Right outside minus 1, and 1. And this is 31 minus 22 and yeah, I wrote 8 outside directly because in any row or any column, if you are having something same, you can write that outside already. Yesterday only we did that part, right? Now that is 8 into, expand your determinant, I into minus 7 plus 22 minus J into minus 7 minus 31 plus K into minus 22 plus 31. So that is nothing but 8 into, this is 15I, this is 38J, minus 7 minus 31 minus 38, minus into minus plus 38J and plus 53K. So this is your answer for A cross B cross C cross D. A cross B cross C cross D. Is it clear? Next bit, what he was asking in second bit. In second bit, A bar cross B bar dot C bar minus A bar cross D bar dot B bar. Is it clear? Now that is A bar cross B bar, you first find it out. Just now we got it, that part. Just now we did know I, J, K, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2. That is equal to, yeah, just now we did in previous board, so I am writing directly minus 8I minus 8J plus 8K. I ask you to take minus 8 common. This is part. Next, A bar cross B bar dot C bar. That is nothing but 8 into minus I minus J plus K, which is dot product with C bar. That is 4I plus 5J, 4I plus 5J minus 2K. That is nothing but 8 as it is. Do the dot product, minus 4, minus 5, minus 2. That is 8 into minus 11, which is minus 88. Is it clear? Yeah, everything what we are doing is dot product. Is it clear? Everything what we are doing is here dot product and cross product only. So should be careful. Next, what we have to do? A bar cross, because see, this part is done. Now this part. So I am going to do here itself. A bar cross D bar. I, J, K. What is A? 3 minus 1, 2. What is D? 1, 3, 5. That is I into minus 5 minus 6. Minus J into 15 minus plus K into 9 minus 1. That is minus 11I. 15 means 13J plus 10K. Now A bar cross D bar dot B bar. What is this? Minus 11I minus 13J plus 10K. Your dot product with B bar. What is that B bar? Minus I plus 3J plus dot B bar means minus 11I minus 13J plus 10K dot product with minus I plus 3J plus 2K. Now that is 11 minus 39 plus 20. Right? That is minus 8. So now what is asking actually? A cross B dot C minus A cross D dot B, that equal to what? So that is minus 88 minus of minus 8. Minus 88 plus 8. Minus 80 is your answer. I hope you understood. So minus, sir, blur aa raha dekh. नहीं, ब्लर आ रहा बोर्ड, थोड़ा इसको रिमोट से और एक बटन को आगे पीछे करें। उसको नहीं सर, उसको वैसे ही टच, उसको नहीं टच, और एक बटन को। So these are most important questions. Is it clear? Yeah, one more important sum. Same, if A bar is given as I minus 2J plus K, your B bar is given as 2I plus J plus K, and your C bar is given as I plus 2J minus K. Again, then find then find A bar cross B cross C and mod of A bar cross B cross C. These are easy questions and important questions. Is it clear? Right. Let us finish off this. Now, what is given? Your A bar is given as I minus 2J. Your B bar is given as 2I plus J plus K. Your C bar is given as I plus 2J minus K. Given your A bar is B bar and C bar. Now, A bar cross B cross C. That I am going to write it as again vector triple product definition. A bar dot C bar B bar minus A bar dot B bar C bar. Same. Just now we did one sum, same approach, but there are two different sums. And these two different sums you are going to do. Is it clear? That is, what is A bar? I minus 2j plus k dot product with I plus 2j minus k into b bar minus I minus 2j plus k dot b bar, that is 2I plus j plus k into c bar. Is it clear? That is nothing but 1 minus 4 minus 1 b bar minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 c bar. This is minus 4b bar minus c bar, plus sign gets cancelled, minus 1 plus, okay? That is nothing but minus 4 into, what is a b bar? 2I plus j plus k minus, what is c bar? That is minus I minus 2j plus k. That is minus 8I minus 4j minus 4k minus I minus plus k. That is nothing but minus 9I minus 6j minus 3k. See, I got A cross B cross. So A cross B cross C, you are going to apply A cross B cross C. You are going to apply the definition of vector triple product. You are going to apply the definition of vector triple product. Is it clear? Next what is asking? A cross B cross C. Then how to write this? Again, this into this. So extreme, say you do dot product with extreme, that is the formula. That is A bar dot C bar B bar minus B bar dot C bar A bar. That is the thing. Now A bar dot C bar, again same approach. I minus 2j plus k dot product with I plus 2j minus k b bar. Now next, what is b bar? 2I, correct? No? 2I plus j plus k dot product with I plus 2j minus k into a bar. That is equal to I dot I is 1 minus 4 minus 1 b bar minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 a bar. Again minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 b bar minus 3 a bar. Is it clear? That is nothing but minus 4 into, what is b bar? 2I plus j plus k minus 3 into a bar. I minus 2j plus k. That is minus 8I minus 4j minus 4k minus 3I plus 6j minus 3k. Just open the brackets and multiply, right? Open the brackets and multiply. Now corresponding I coefficients j, k must be subtracted. That is minus 11I plus 2j minus 7k. Now what is asking actually? Modulus of this vector, that is under root of minus 11 square plus 2 square plus, that is under root of 121 plus 4 plus 49, which is under root of 174. With this, your most important long answers of product of vectors has been done. So in 1A, so far, matrices, everything is done. Vectors also, everything is done, right? After that, matrices and vectors, I said I will start properties of triangle. Is it clear? In properties of almost all now you are 3 long answers has been completed. Now let us do properties of triangle, and that will give you the one more long answer. Is it clear? So as I said yesterday, properties of triangle. After properties of triangle, 7 mark and 4 mark, we'll go for, at a stretch, we'll go for 7 and 4. Then we'll go for functions, theorem, 7 marks. Then mathematical induction, 7 marks. With that, and trigonometry is left out. Trigonometry 7 marks. Most of the students, they will have difficulty. So what I suggest you is, your long answers, what you have to attempt is compulsory to get passing mark. 2 matrices, 1 from product of vectors, 3. 1 from product of vectors, 3. 1 from properties of triangle, 4. 1 from mathematical induction, 5. And to be safe side, 1 theorem from functions. Is it clear? And trigonometry transformations, it should be a last choice. Is it clear? Right. So let us do now properties of triangle, long answers. Is it clear? So very important long answers. Each and every formula I will write side by when we do properties of triangle, long answers. Is it clear? Right. So 3 long answers has been done. 2 from matrices, 1 from product of vectors. Now let us start with properties of triangle. In properties of triangle, we do 7 mark. After that, immediately we'll do 4 mark of properties of triangle. Is it clear? Right. So that your matrices 4 mark has been done. Addition of vectors 4 mark has been done. Product of vectors 4 mark is also be done. And we'll go for properties of triangle 4 marks. Is it clear? Right. Let us start with 7 mark, and whatever the formulas I'm using, I will explain you while teaching your 7 mark itself. Is it clear? All right. So first 7 mark, very, very important. Show that each and every formula I will write side by. Cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 divided by cot A plus cot B plus cot C. That what we have to show. A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Is it clear? Now see the solution, everybody. First, I am going to take numerator separately. Cot A by 2. This is like 4 mark question also. If numerator is asked separately and denominator is asked separately, it is like a 4 mark question. So cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. I took numerator separately. Cot, I am going to write it as S into S minus A by delta formula. So cot A by 2 is nothing but S into S minus A by delta. Please remember all these formulas. Then cot B by 2 will be S into S minus B by delta. S into S minus C by delta. So delta is your common LCM. So S into S minus A plus S into S minus B, S into S minus. That is nothing but S square minus SA, S square minus SB, S square minus SC by delta. Now S square plus S square plus S square. See here, S square plus S square plus S square, correct? Which is nothing but 3S square minus SA minus SB minus S. Minus S common, A plus B plus C divided by delta. That is equal to, divided by delta. That is equal to 3S square minus SC into, what is the next formula? A plus B plus C. Perimeter of a triangle is 2S. So this I am going to replace with 2S. Now 3S square minus 2S square by delta. That is equal to S square by, now 3S square minus 2s square by delta, that is equal to s square by delta. This is your simplification of numerator. This is the simplification of numerator. Keep it like that. Next, take your denominator. That is cot A plus cot B plus cot C. The denominator cot A plus cot B plus cot C. That is nothing but I will put it in summation cot A. Cot, can I write it as cos A by sin A? Again, cosine rule formula I am writing here. Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. And delta is equal to half BC sin A. Then 2 delta is equal to BC sin A. Okay. These are the formulas which I am going to use now. So that is cos A, B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC divided by sin A. That is summation B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC sin A. Correct now? So, but BC sin A is 2 delta. BC sin A is, so that is B square plus C square minus A square by 2 into BC sin A is 2 delta. That is nothing but summation B square plus C square minus A square by 4 delta. Now 1 by 4 delta as it is right outside the summation. Please expand the summation. B square plus C square minus A square is the first term. Plus after B what I get? C square. After C, A square minus B square, second term. Plus A square plus B square minus C square. That is your third term. Is it clear? Now your B square, A square, 1C square, 1C square. So what is left out? A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. This is your denominator. So just now I said your numerator what I got? A square by delta. Your denominator what I got? A square plus B square. Now your numerator by denominator, that is cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 divided by cot A plus cot B plus cot C. That is equal to, what is your numerator result we got? A square by delta. That is A square by delta. Denominator result what we got? A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. So here the delta gets cancelled. And this 4 is there, no, that comes and multiply to the numerator. So 4A square by A square plus B square plus C square. 4A square, I will write it as 2S whole square. These are your formulas. 2S whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Now what is 2S? Yeah, 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Is it clear? Once again, you can have a total board. Show that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is by cot A plus cot B plus cot C. This is the result what is asked. To take your numerator separately, cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Is it clear? Take your numerator separately, cot A by 2 plus cot B by, take your numerator separately, that is cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. S into S minus A, S minus B, S into S minus A by delta formula. Then on simplifying, I got A square by delta. Next board what we did? Denominator I took separately. That is cot A plus cot B plus cot C. which is nothing but summation cot A. Cot A, I wrote it as cos by sine. Is it clear? Most important sum that was. Yeah, let us do one more. Yeah. So what is that one more we are going to do now? If P1, comma P2, comma P3 are the altitudes, if P1, comma P2, comma P3 are altitudes, drawn from vertices, capital A, comma B, comma C to the opposite sides, of a triangle, then show that 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R, and 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by R3. First bit, second bit, third bit now. P1, P2, P3. ABC whole square by 8R cube, that is 8 delta cube by ABC. Eight delta cube by ABC. This is your most important sum. Right, let us finish off this. See the solution. What is given is P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes of triangle ABC. It means what? Suppose this is A, B, C. This is your altitude P1 with opposite side base A. This is your altitude P2 with opposite side base B3, and this is your altitude P3. This is your altitude P3 with opposite base C. Then area of a triangle for all these things. Area of triangle, right? Area of a triangle delta is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Half base into height. Or delta is equal to half BP2. And delta is equal to half CP3. Same, base into height and base into height. Is it clear? Yes. Now, then 2 delta is equal to AP1. Then P1 is equal to 2 delta by A. 2 delta is equal to BP2. Then P2 is equal to 2 delta by B. 2 delta is equal to CP3. P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. These are your P1, P2, P3. Now, let us start with your first bit. What was your question? Once again, you can have a look. First bit, 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. So, given P1, P2, P3, all the altitudes. So, delta is equal to half into base into height. Or another area of a triangle. This is your height, this is your base. If this is your height, this will be the base. Is it clear? Right. So, first bit, 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. 1 by P1 means it is A by 2 delta, B by 2 delta, C by 2 delta. That is A plus B plus C, 2S by 2 delta. Your A plus B plus C is 2S. 2 gets cancelled, S by delta, which is nothing but R is delta by S. Then S by delta will be 1 by R. Is it clear? Right. Next. Second bit. What it was? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3. That is 1 by P1 A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta minus C by 2 delta. The 2 delta is same LCM, A plus B minus C. A plus B means, can I write it as 2S minus C? Because I said already, your A plus B plus C is 2S. So 2S minus C by 2 delta. 2S minus 2C by 2 delta, 2 common, right? 2 gets cancelled, S minus C by delta. But what is R3 formula? Delta by S minus C. Then 1 by R3 will be S minus C by delta formulas. Is it clear? Which is nothing but 1 by R3. What is the third bit is asking? P1, P2, P3. What is P1? What is your P1? 2 delta by A. Correct? 2 delta by A, 2 delta by B, 2 delta by C. 8 delta Q by ABC. See, you got one of your result. Now, delta, I can write it as ABC by 4R. Another formula. So, 8 into ABC by 4R whole cube by ABC. 8 into ABC whole cube by 4 cube is 64R cube divided by ABC. One ABC, square it gets cancelled. 8 ones are 8 8s are 64, right? That is ABC. These are your formulas. I will write it in next board. That is ABC. That is ABC whole square by 8R cube. That's it. So, with this, we'll stop here and we'll continue in tomorrow's class with long answers of properties of triangle only. Okay.